Hello Mississauga, I'm Chris Kukoc from Royal LePage Signature Realty, and this is your Mississauga market update for October 2019. Hey guys, welcome back to By the Numbers. I'm your host, Numbers Guy Chris Kukoc from Royal LePage Signature. If you've been wondering what's going on in the real estate market here in Mississauga and in the GTA in general, then this is the video for you because I've got some really interesting stats on what's been going on over the last month. Let's jump right into it. The average sale price across the GTA in the month of September was about $843,000, which is up almost 6% from September of last year, and it's up about 12.5% from the beginning of this year. Now, how did that happen? It's actually really simple. The sales numbers across the GTA are up 22% from last year, and we actually have 14% less listings on the board, which means we've got a 36% delta, which is absolutely huge from this time last year. So when you think about it, we've got 22% more demand, 14% less supply. That really puts upward pressure on the prices. Now let's take a look at what's going on here in Mississauga. In the month of September, the average sale price of a home here was $763,000. Now that's up 11.5% from September of last year, and it's up over 13% from the beginning of this year. The story in Mississauga looks very similar to the story across the GTA, where the number of sales in September were up 9.5%, where the number of listings available are down about 7%, which gives us that 16% delta, which really is putting upward pressure on the pricing. Not quite as much as across the GTA, but it's still fairly significant. Now let's take a look into those Mississauga micro markets. The average price of a detached home here in Mississauga was about $1,098,000, while the average price of a semi-detached home was $754,000, both of which are up significantly over September of last year. Now, the average price of a townhouse in Mississauga in the month of September was $623,000, and the average price of a condo apartment was a whopping $493,000, which is up almost 18% from last year. Now, how do we get there? Well, if you recall in this segment last year, I was saying with 1.5 months of inventory, the condo market in Mississauga was tight. Now in 2019, we're down even lower with less than 1.1 months of inventory in the condo market. This is putting significant upward pressure on the pricing, and it indicates a significant seller's market. So it's a great time in Mississauga to be a condo owner because your investment is probably doing very, very well. Now, that's all for the stats stuff for today, but I want you to keep an eye on the channel because this month I've got some great stuff coming out for you. We're releasing a video every single Tuesday, and this month we've got a driving tour of the city center area where we'll be going into detail of all the developments that are going on and some information on the existing buildings as well. We'll have another issue of Did You Know? And I've got a great interview for the podcast that'll be coming out this month as well. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.